Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT P40. Firstly, open Play Store and type Clone It on both devices. Now download this app. Open it, tap Allow and agree. You want to go with Sender on an Android and Receiver on CUBOT. Click Allow and Allow again on an Android. Wait for available devices to show up. In this case, it will be this Android. Tap on it, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will go with scanning, so I have to tap to scan and allow. Now scan your code. And accept connection request. Normally you have to tap all of those to transfer all of your files, but I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time. I will click here to choose details and go with one song. So I have to tap on it and click start. Then OK. Lastly, tap finish. Now I can check if my song really transferred. So I will go with audio. And as you can see, my transfer was a success. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!